That LIS file is an SQR report output, generated by the report writing language commonly used in PeopleSoft environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and interpret your report listing. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens LIS files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below: a LIS file is an output listing file generated by SQR, a structured query and report writing language widely used with PeopleSoft enterprise applications. It stores formatted report output as plain text, including headers, data rows, totals, and page breaks from executed SQR programs. LIS files are plain ASCII text files generated by the SQR runtime engine after executing an SQR report program. They follow the report's page layout definitions, including column widths, headings, and separators. The file encoding is typically ASCII with carriage return and line feed characters. Oracle PeopleSoft SQR developed by Oracle Corporation serves as the industry application standard for LIS. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows offers basic viewing capabilities, while full functionality depends on a proper document editor. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the LIS file and click Open With. Test Oracle PeopleSoft SQR if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If the LIS file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, open with any text editor. LIS files are plain text and can be opened immediately with any text editor such as Notepad, Notepad++, or TextPad. The formatted report content, including headers, columns, and data, will be visible in the editor. Notepad++ is recommended for large LIS files due to its performance. Next, view in a fixed-width font. For best readability, open the LIS file in a text editor and set the display font to a fixed-width font such as Courier New or Consolis. SQR report output uses column alignment based on fixed-width character spacing, and proportional fonts will cause the columns to appear misaligned. Finally, import into Excel for data analysis. To analyze LIS report data in a spreadsheet, open Excel and use the data from Text CSV Import Wizard. Select Fixed Width as the delimiter option and manually set column breakpoints, matching the SQR report layout. This converts the plain text report into organized Excel columns. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.